Greetings, guys. Hey, while most might think Disney when they think of Florida, we've come to Panama City Beach in the Panhandle for the month of January to enjoy the Emerald Coast in the off-season. While driving along the ocean to explore nearby towns, we came upon Port St. Joe and instantly fell in love with the town. We learned that Port St. Joe is a historical port city of around 4,000, and it was in Port St. Joe that we discovered a day trip tour of 4 lighthouses. It took us 2 days to do the tour because we started midday and didn't learn of the tour until after visiting the Welcome Center in Port St. Joe. But it can be done in one day. Let's take a look at Florida's Emerald Coast and its lighthouses. Our starting point was in Panama City Beach. We first drove to Port St. Joe's Cape San Blas Lighthouse. Then on to St. George Island to see its lighthouse. From St. George Island, we drove to Carabel to see the Crooked River Lighthouse. And finally, it was on to St. Mark's National Wildlife Refuge to see the St. Mark's Lighthouse. So let's get this tour started in Port St. Joe. Each stop has a welcome center, and we suggest stopping in. The center in Port St. Joe is new and an awesome facility representing all of Gulf County. They have a nice deck with patio furniture, lots of travel information, and as a relief to us, clean restrooms. The Cape San Blas Lighthouse is located just west of the Welcome Center with a gift shop where you can buy tickets to climb to the top. Here's some aerial footage. We hope you enjoy taking a look at this relocated lighthouse. Now it's on to St. George Island. The Welcome Center here is very nice. When you enter the building, you're greeted by a well-put-together, museum-like display of lighthouse artifacts, reconstruction information, and other memorabilia. When you climb the 92 steps of the St. George Island Lighthouse, you're rewarded with a fabulous 360-degree view of the Gulf of Mexico, Apalachicola Bay, and St. George Sound. Leaving St. George Island on the Brian Patt Memorial Bridge, you're looking at Apalachicola Bay on the left and St. George Sound on the right. You'll travel the short distance of 18.6 miles for 23 minutes to get to your next lighthouse in Carabel. The Crooked River Lighthouse. We found the Welcome Center here in the shadow of the lighthouse as the day was waning. Like the other stops, there is a small gift shop and welcome center with a museum-like display. get to the top of this lighthouse, you'll have to climb 138 steps. The climb will be worth the effort because the views from Crooked River are just outstanding. The fourth lighthouse on this tour is the St. Mark's Lighthouse in St. Mark's National Wildlife Refuge. Unfortunately, when we got there, we found the lighthouse was closed to the public due to COVID. And to make things worse, the lighthouse, being situated within a national park, is a no-fly zone for drones. Hopefully, the ground view videos and photos will do the stop justice. The lighthouse was the goal, but since it was closed, we took advantage of the park's beauty. And to cap off a great day touring lighthouses, we spotted an alligator bathing in the Florida sun. Hey, we had a great time exploring these lighthouses and hope you enjoyed watching. Let us know what your favorite lighthouse was in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free and helps our channel grow. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Happy travels.